Hi friends, welcome to Happy Kids India and thanks for joining the Python training with me. In the previous sessions, we discussed if condition, for loop, while loop, etc. multiple times. And in this session, we are going to learn the nested functionality. So what is nested functionality means? If condition within the if condition or for loop within the for loop, or we can use for loop within the if condition or if condition within the for loop. So this is called the nested functionality. We will see a few examples. So for example, let me take a equal to 2, b equal to 3. So let us find the biggest number. Of course, there are multiple ways. Let us use the nested functionality. For example, if a not equal to b, colon. So let us print a is not equal to b. Let's print like this, and let us also compare once again if a greater than b. So we are using if condition within another if condition. If a greater than b, print a is big, else print b is big. So here this else is for this if. Okay, when this condition is true, when a not equal to b, check if a greater than b, a is big, else b is big. This else is for this if, and let us say print a is equal to b. So here we are checking a not equal to b. So else means a is equal to b, right? So like this. So this if condition we have used within this if. Of course we can use another if condition after else also. After else if also we can use. Let us execute this one. So here it says 2 is not equal to 3 and 3 is big. Here itself. If you put both equal numbers, it will go to the else directly and prints 2 equal to 2. And let us say first number 3. Here also it is a not equal to b. So this will get printed and this condition will get checked and a is bigger than b. So it will print a is big. So like this is a nested if condition. Let us see nested for loop. For example, I'm saying for I in range 1, 4. That means 1 to 3, right? And for j in range 1 to 3. That means 1 to 2. And let's print I, j. So what it will do? So this loop will run for 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. I value will be 1 initially, then I value will be 2 and then I value will be 3. 3 times it will run. And each time it runs, this loop will run for 2 times. J value is 1 and j value is 2. So when I is 1, j value will be 1 and j value will be 2. 2 times it will run. Again when I is 2, j value will be 1 and 2. 2 times it will run. Again when I value is 3, j value will be 1 and 2. So this will run 2 times. Like that, the outer loop will run 3 times and the inner loop will run 2 times each time. That means 3 into 2, 6 times it will run. Let us execute and see. So you can see when the I value is 1, inner loop ran 2 times, 1 and 2. When the I value is 2, inner loop ran 2 times, 1 and 2. When the I value is 3, inner loop ran 2 times, 1 and 2. So let us use the strings so that we can see it clearly. And here I'm saying colors equal to, for example, let us take a list. White, red, pink. And flowers equal to rose, Let's take a list here also. Rose, tulip, orchid. Take any names. And here for I in colors, colon, for J in flowers, colon, print I, comma, J. So when color is white, all these three will get printed. So white rose, white tulip, white orchid. When color is red, it should print red rose, red tulip, red orchid. When color is pink, it should print pink rose, pink tulip, pink orchid, like that. So for each color, all the flowers should get printed along with that color. You can see with the color white, all the three flowers got printed. With the color red, all the three flowers got printed. With the color pink, all the three flowers got printed. So for each outer loop, inner loop will run as many times as needed. So that means for white color, the inner loop will run 3 times because 3 flowers are there. If you put 4th flower, it will run 4 times. Let me say jasmine. So 3 into 4, 12 times it should run now. You can see for white, 4 times inner loop ran. So for 4 flowers. Similarly, for red also 4 times it ran because inner loop runs 4 times for 4 flowers. Similarly, for the pink color, inner loop ran 4 times because there are 4 flowers. So let us do something useful. Let us take multiplication tables, for example. Here I'm inputting table input. Let us say up to which table, and let me also convert to int. We have to convert it, otherwise there will be an error. We are going to perform arithmetic operations on it. Table, we are inputting a number up to which table and converting to integer and storing in table. And let us also input multiple. So let us input up to which multiple. Now outer loop for table, for example, for I in range 2 to table plus 1. So that means it will start with second table, then third, fourth, fifth, like that up to table, but we have to give one number extra here. That means up to table it will run 2 to table. If we give one, first table also will get printed, but we don't want first table. So second, for J in range multiple plus 1. Multiple means up to 10 jar, up to 12 jar, like that. So plus 1 means so that will get ignored. Up to multiple it will run. Now we are printing. I'm using this format: percentage 3D, percentage 3D, percentage 3D, and percentage here. The first one is table. Table is in the I, right? So let us take the I. And second one is multiple, which is in J. So let me take J. And the third one is table multiplied by multiple. So table is in I and multiple is in J. So we are multiplying. So let us execute. Which table? Up to which table? For example, I'm saying up to fourth table. And up to which multiple? Let us say 10. So you can see first, second table got printed up to 10 multiples, 2 10 then third table got printed up to 3 10 and fourth table got printed up to 4 10. Let us stop it for each table. After the inner loop prints one table, and after the inner loop I am saying input, just wait, press enter to continue. We are not storing this value, but just for waiting, we are using this. Run which table? Fifth table, up to multiple, let us say up to 6 multiples. So second table got printed, it is printing the second table. That means inner loop is running for 6 times because we gave 6 number, and first time it is taking second table because we started with second table, and it is asking to press enter. So I press enter, then third table got printed. Then if I press enter, fourth table, then fifth table, then done, because we gave up to fifth table. So you can see just 5 lines of code. This is only for input, or 6 lines of code. We can print any number of multiplication tables up to whichever table you want and up to whichever multiple you want. So we have used for loop within the for loop. We can also use if condition within the for loop, or if condition within the while loop, or while loop within the for loop within the while loop. So any combination we can use. This is called the nested functionality. In the coming sessions, we will be doing lot of programs where we will be utilizing all these functionalities. So I'm discussing these aspects for loop, while loop, if condition again and again with different examples, because these are the fundamentals and very important. Whichever application you write, these are the mandatory. In most cases, if condition will be used, for loop will be used, and while loop will be used. Of course, input and output statements, and this formatting is very important. So please go through all the videos and practice all the examples, and you can also practice your own examples in your own area of expertise. Especially you can build logic only with practice. If you practice a lot, you can build logic beautifully. Thank you. If you have not yet subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notifications. Thank you so much.